Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a product in your Odoo website. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option. In this new page containing your website, click on the e-commerce option from the navigation menu above, then click on products from the drop-down menu. In this new page containing your products, click on New from the top left corner. In this new page, start adding your product by giving it a name in this field. Next, click on the General Information tab. Then in here, choose a product type, add the sales price, cost, and more. Next, if you have an image of the product that you want to add, click on this camera with a plus icon right here, and your computer's file manager will open. In there, you will look for your product's image and upload it. Next, click on the Sales tab and click on the checkbox next to Is Published right here. Lastly, click on this small cloud icon at the top left corner to save your new product. And if you want to preview how your product will look like in your website, click on Go to Website up here. And that is how you can add a product in your Odoo website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.